Hey everybody, I am Mr. B. I've got a real quick tip for you when it comes to how to cook bacon. Now, yeah, sure, I love to fry bacon up in a skillet, but it's messy as F. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna show you a way you can do this in the oven. It is super easy and the cleanup is just amazing, and it's some of the crispiest bacon you will ever have in your life. Okay, so we're gonna preheat our oven with the convection to 375, and we will get that started. I'm taking 1 pound of bacon, sort of doing the keto thing, and bacon always comes in handy for something, right? So we are just gonna open up this pound of bacon here. As you can see, while I was babbling earlier, I've lined a sheet tray with parchment paper. I have used aluminum foil for this as well when out of parchment paper. We're just gonna line our bacon onto our lovely little situation here. It'll all fit, I promise. Having bacon on hand, especially if you're doing a low carb kind of situation, is great. You can chop it up on any salads, just any type of maybe stuffing type thing that you're gonna use. Like I do a snack with, cream cheese stuffed mushrooms, right? Throw some bacon up in that, unbelievable. There's always that one last little fella. Get on in here, right? Now, once your oven is preheated to 375, you pop it in until it's crispy, and that takes typically about 20 minutes. All right, and it goes. Middle rack is fine. Okie dokie, so we're ready. So let's take a look, guys. Gotta be careful, obviously. There you have it. It's the only way to go. Now, one thing you will want to do pretty quickly is get this, up off of the parchment. It will continue to kind of crisp up. If you like it crispier, you can do one of two things. Let this go another, 5 minutes or so at 375, or you could do this at 400 for the 20 minutes and it'll be absolutely fine. So guys, there you have it. Oven fried bacon, super easy, cleanup's amazing. Basically you let this cool and you throw it away. Of course, you could save some of the grease. That's it guys, I'm Mr. B, and I hope you enjoyed this tip. Click subscribe, come along for the ride. We're gonna see you next time.